Hi, my name is Elizabeth Fisher. I was a student at UNCG, and I think my biggest takeaway from the entire project was the relationships that I was able to build and form outside of the classroom setting with my professor and a couple other colleagues, as well as the freedom with the topic we were given. In a sense, we had to shoot something very specific, but it could be interpreted any way we wanted. And to me, as a filmmaker, interpretation is everything. And to be able to learn my own fingerprint and how I film stuff without anyone telling me a specific guideline was very crucial and important as someone who's learning about film and learning about themselves as a filmmaker. So I was very grateful for that experience because it really it showed me what my vision was with what I film and what my favorite shots were, what my favorite movements were, and what I definitely repeated and what I liked to film.
Hi, my name is Ariel Smallwood. I am a recent graduate from UNCG in Media Studies Department. I was a part of the Walking as a Critical Practice group. What we focused on was capturing images around Greensboro. For the most part, going to really cool lots that had amazing graffiti and abandoned graffiti-covered buses and whatnot, exploring downtown. And what we did was take some students from the Media Studies Club, CM Studios, and give them cameras and tell them to just go film. It was really amazing to work with budding artists and help them learn about the tools that they have to use, particularly as filmmakers. Any image that you capture is only as good as the person's skill set that's behind the camera. So helping to help them get an idea across and to just see the space around them. And then still, for myself, exploring space in a different way. The idea initially was pretty abstract to me. So to think of walking as more than just like a task or something that is like a means to another task has really changed my perspective of how I engage with the space and city around me in particular, especially now, right now, as I was wearing quarantine, walking, and if you can't walk, just being able to move through space, move outside is more precious than ever. And is definitely something that I will never take for granted again, is being able to move freely through space. I really appreciate having had the opportunity to collaborate with my professor in this way and to get a better idea of what it's like to do research, to do creative research, because it doesn't always look like making like a 10-20 page paper. It's about how did I interact with this creative abstract thought, and how will it influence the way I move forward as a creative person from here on out.